Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Asian cuisine is quite dynamic. The flavors and style change depending on the country and region. If we take Indonesia as an example, because of foreign influences, this country has over 5,000 traditional recipes, but 30 of these are considered the most significant, such as this featured recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my version of chicken satay. This Indonesian dish is also popular in many countries, and the flavor is quite tasty. Served with a lovely sauce, this cured-made recipe is a great meal to enjoy anytime. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large bowl, we'll combine 1 can of coconut milk with pressed garlic, sliced lemongrass, red onions, some fish sauce, red curry paste, and this is the one I prefer to use. No endorsements, I just like this brand. Then turmeric, and finally chopped cilantro. We'll whisk until the ingredients are well blended. Next, we'll place the chicken strips in a marinade and make sure they are well coated. We'll cover and transfer to the fridge for 24 hours or at least 15 hours. The next morning, we'll get our wood skewers ready by soaking them for 8 to 10 hours. Later on that day, we're ready to thread our chicken. So we'll start from one end and skewer the chicken by going back and forth until it's all threaded on. Some like to put it tight. I prefer to leave a little space in between so the meat can cook evenly. See? Just like this. We'll place the skewers on a baking sheet lined with foil. Next, we'll cover the ends of the skewers with a piece of foil that we'll tuck under so it stays in place, and that will prevent the exposed ends from burning. We'll transfer them to a 350-degree preheated oven and cook for 15 minutes. When time is up, we'll turn the heat on broil and cook the meat for about 5 minutes. When they're nicely golden brown, we'll remove them from the heat and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our chicken satay. This dish from Indonesia is great to pair with either peanut sauce or sweet soy sauce. It's a great meal to make this summer on the barbecue. With the subtle flavor from the marinade, this is a recipe everyone in your family will enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!